Bless you.
Hey everybody, how's it going? So I'm going to go ahead and address the obvious elephant in the room. No, I am not single. That's right. Somebody lock this down. They liked it, and they put a ring on it. I'm going to start off with my son's favorite joke. He's 5. When I was 9 years old, I fell down a well. It was on my birthday. I didn't wish for that. As I mentioned, I have a son. In comedy, we refer to that as a callback. And I've been asked before, Derek, when was the first time that you realized that you were a father?
What?
I know for some, it's the first time after they hold their child after they've been born. But for me, the first time that I realized that I was a father was the first time that I bought my jeans at Costco. 6 pairs for $29. They come on a roll. My wife texted me earlier tonight. In the text, it was a video of my son. In it, he was jumping off the couch. And when he landed, he raised his left foot, crane kicked, and then bunny hopped out of the room. So I texted her back, Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne. This next segment of jokes are musically inspired. Okay. Lead singer Frank Black of the Pixies has a daughter. She came home late one night. Do you know what he said to her? Hey! Where have you been? Blink-182 frontman Tom DeLonge recently visited a pumpkin patch with his family. They entertained themselves by entering the corn maze. Unfortunately, they were separated, at which point Tom DeLonge screamed out, "Where are you?" It's a lyric from one of his songs. Where are you? You got it. elder emo in the crowd. All right, cool. My wife told me she would divorce me if I ever performed stand-up comedy at the gathering of the Juggalos. So I told her, whoop whoop. When I got here tonight, Hunter wasn't here. But then when he got here, he told me this was going to be a hot crowd that loves crowd work. So I'm going to do some crowd work now. Woo! Hello. How are you? Good. Drinking?
Yeah.
Cool. Do you know that show on HBO called The Last of Us?
I've heard of it. I love that game. It's my favorite game.
Well, it's a show. It's not a game anymore. Damn it, you're right. Okay. Well, we're talking about the show.
All right.
So the show on HBO. Do you know over 3 million people tuned into the season finale of The Last of Us? They did. You know, with that many people tuning into that show, they should rename the show All of Us.
They should.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, well, thank you. That was crowd work, ladies and gentlemen. So anybody out there got jobs? I got a real stickler of a boss. I was at the office yesterday and he walked up to my desk and he said, well, first he politely tapped me on the shoulder and I turned around and I said, yes. He goes, Derek, it's very important that you make sure to put in your time card so that way we can finish payroll. And then he just walked away. What a jerk, huh? Bosses, am I right? So I'm going to get out of here. Before I do, I'm going to end with some impressions. My first impression is of the female pop singer Shakira performing a line from her 2001 hit song, Wherever, Whenever. Da 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 day. Da 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 day. Thank you. For my second impression, this will be of the pop culture icon Borat. But if he was Michael Myers in the Halloween franchise. My knife! Thank you. And for my last impression, this will be of Arnold Schwarzenegger from his first appearance in the movie The Terminator. That's the Terminator, not Terminator 2 Judgment Day. Or Terminator 3 Rise of Machines. Or Terminator Salvation. Or Terminator Genesis. Or the Sarah Connor Chronicles. Or Terminator Dark Fate. This is from the Terminator. Thank you. My name is Feltner. Have a great rest of your night.